MCC, just motos. Good. All right, so the next mod that I did was one I'm really happy about. It's a Khrome Werks, just a slip-on exhaust. And what I'll do is, it looks exactly the same. It wasn't terrible to install, I did it myself. Just a couple different, you can see them, mounting brackets there, as well as you gotta loosen the shield off there, take it off, and there was just another clamp that you had to put on. But what it does, it creates a great sound to it. I'll turn it on so you can hear. I think it sounds a lot better. Not super loud, but really nice. It hits exactly where I want. We'll catch you in the next episode. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.